All right, so now we're heading over to Dragonfire to see what's new for 2019. Dragonfire is one of the premier brands that offers side-by-side products. Hey, Emily, how you doing?
Hey, good to see you.
Good to see you. So we're here in the Dragonfire booth now. This is Emily. She's our professional. She has a fun story to tell you. If you take a look at last year's video, you'll hear about her rolling one of these things down one of the dunes at Glamis. Any near close accidents this year?
Hi, Miss Dragonfire here. As of this year, even though I hit the dunes, no, we didn't have a chance to go rolling down hills, but for sure had a good time out in Glamis.
Fantastic. So what's new for Dragonfire in 2019?
Well, Dragonfire for 2019, we have over 100 new accessories.
What?
100, yes.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it is a lot. It comes from lights, new doors, accessories for fire extinguishers, you name it, we got it. And we can go over a bunch of them right over here.
Sweet, let's take a look.
All right.
All right, so right now we're taking a look at these lighted whips up here. Now you guys have some of the most robust lighted whips and whip mounts on the marketplace. Can you tell us a little bit about those?
Yes, of course. So all our lighted whips are quick release, but what we have new this year is the 6 foot instead of the 4. So we have both of them, and they're all LED changed color lights. And one thing also we have new this year is instead of the Bluetooth through your phone, we actually have the controller now. So that's new for 2019 for the lighted whips. Also for our lights, for the front mount ones we have is instead of 2, we have the 4-inch lights. And then we also have for the side lights for up front. And then we have new ones for the interior and for rock lights mount in front. And then we also have the chase light. That's also new for this year.
So now that we talked a little bit about lights, let's jump on over to some of the more key accessories.
A couple new things we also have is our fire extinguisher mount. It's a little different. It's a standard one. Instead of the 2-inch one, this is a 3 to 4-inch. It's a standard universal fire extinguisher mount, which is a quick release, so that also is a big seller for us. We also have some new of our steering wheels. We have the carbon fire spoke option, and then we also have the red thread for the race look.
All right, moving around to this side of the wall, what do we have over here?
And we also have a couple little accessories for our just fun little things. Gas cap, the metal for Dragonfire, and then our new A-arms for the Can-Am. And then we also have new lunchbox kits, smaller fit for the Polaris.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Well, that's just a quick detail breakdown of what's new for 2019 here from Dragonfire. Please stay tuned, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad, because now we're going to dive into detailed product videos for specific Dragonfire products that are bestsellers at Chaparral Motorsports. I'm Kyle. Thanks for watching. See you on the road.